This 350 square foot apartment went from depressing cave to magazine worthy in just 3 days. And you won't believe what made the biggest difference? But first, there's one mistake 9 out of 10 people make when they start their small apartment makeover on a budget, and it's probably sitting in your Amazon cart right now. I am going to show you the designer secret that literally doubles your space without knocking down a single wall. Stay with me because the one thing that changes everything costs less than your monthly coffee budget. Let's dive in. Here's the truth about transforming a small apartment on a budget. Your biggest limitation isn't money or square footage. It's how you're thinking about the space. Most people walk into their tiny apartment and immediately think, what can I add? Wrong question. The question should be, how can I make what I have work twice as hard? This is what interior designers call the multiplied don't principle. Every piece of furniture or decor you bring in should serve multiple purposes. That ottoman, its seating, storage, and a coffee table. That mirror, its decor, light reflection, and a space expander. Research shows that visual clutter creates cognitive overload, especially in small spaces, which drains your mental energy. So before you buy anything, understand this. Your small apartment makeover on a budget succeeds when you create the illusion of more space, not when you fill every corner. Here's your first action step. Stand in your apartment and identify 3 areas that feel cramped. We're going to fix those using brain science, not bank loans. Now, the biggest mistake I see? People rush to Target, fill their cart, and end up with a space that feels even more cramped than before. This shopping frenzy is one of the most common first apartment decorating mistakes. Before you spend a single dollar on your budget apartment makeover, you need 3 things. First, a vision board. Not optional? Without a clear plan, you'll make costly mistakes by buying things for the wrong reasons. Spend 1 hour on Pinterest creating a board that captures your style. This saves you hundreds in returns and wrong purchases. Second, measurements. I'm talking about everything. One of the most common mistakes is choosing furniture that's wrong for the space. Your doorways, your rooms, and especially that furniture you're eyeing online. Furniture that's too big makes your apartment feel cluttered, while furniture that's too small makes it feel empty. Write these numbers in your phone notes right now. Third, a priority list with 3 categories. Must-haves like a bed and lighting, nice-to-haves like artwork and throw pillows, and future purchases like that statement chair. Focus your budget on essentials first, then add pieces gradually over time. This foundation approach is how professional designers turn small apartments into showpieces without overspending. Skip this and you're decorating blind. All right. Now, for the transformation techniques that actually work for small apartment makeovers on a budget. Strategy 1. Go vertical and transparent. Using vertical space means going from floor upwards with high furniture and wall-mounted solutions. Floating elements like shelves and furniture with legs make spaces feel open by letting your eye travel through the room. Hit up IKEA for floating shelves, around $15 to $30 each. Add a transparent coffee table or ghost chairs to keep sightlines clear. Budget, $100 to $200 total. Strategy 2. Master the color-light combo. Here's the science. Light colors like whites, off-whites, and muted tones create an open, expansive feeling in small spaces. But here's what most videos won't tell you. You should decide upfront whether to go quiet with muted neutrals or bold with personality. Pick one approach and commit. Then layer in 3 types of lighting: ambient, task, and accent. Poor lighting makes rooms dark and uninviting, while good lighting creates warmth. Amazon has great table lamps for $20 to $50. Add string lights for ambiance at under $15. Budget, $60 to $150. Strategy 3, the thrift and transform approach. Thrifting lets you find unique, one-of-a-kind pieces at amazing prices. Look for solid wood furniture that can be refinished and classic pieces that won't look dated. That dresser from Facebook Marketplace for $40? Sand it down, add new hardware from Home Depot for $20, and suddenly you have a piece that looks like it costs $300. Great resources include HomeGoods, Amazon, and even H&M for decor under $200. Budget, $80 to $200. Strategy 4. The power of strategic focal points. A large-scale print or bold painted accent wall transforms a living room into an artful display in seconds. Creating a gallery wall behind your sofa naturally draws attention and defines the space. Don't scatter small decorations everywhere. Choose one or two statement pieces that create impact without chaos. That oversized mirror from Target for $60 will make your room feel twice as big. Mirrors are magical for small apartments, giving the illusion of expanded space. Budget: $50 to $150. Total transformation budget: under $500 for a complete, small apartment makeover. Quick reality check. 3 mistakes that'll wreck your budget apartment transformation. Mistake 1. Buying matching furniture sets from showrooms creates a generic furniture store vibe. Mix textures, tones, and shapes instead. It looks more expensive and more you. Mistake 2. Buying a rug that's too small for your space. It should fit under your furniture, not float awkwardly in the middle. Measure first, always. Mistake 3. Pushing all furniture against walls, which actually makes rooms feel smaller. Float your sofa off the wall to create depth and dimension. Avoid these 3, and your small apartment makeover on a budget will look like you spent thousands. So there you have it, the proven strategies for a stunning small apartment makeover on a budget. Remember, it's about working smarter with your space, not spending more money. Start with the foundation formula. Use those 4 transformation strategies. Avoid the costly mistakes, and watch your tiny apartment become the space you've been dreaming of. If this helped you, smash that like button, subscribe for more budget-friendly apartment decorating ideas, and drop a comment telling me which strategy you're trying first. Transform your small space without breaking the bank. Let's make it happen.